This is a look, okay?
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti and I am back with another video. And today I just did this bomb like green cut crease with some blacks, some purples, and some pinks. I just felt like playing in colors today because I feel like it's been a minute since I've done dramatic makeup. However, Matic Monday will be back next Monday. Yeah, so we're gonna get back on the ball with Matic Monday, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I just wanted to give y'all something real cute and something real snatched. So if you are interested in today's video, just keep on watching. So I am just going in with my P. Louise base, and I am patting it in to the lid to prepare for some shadow. This is a MAC 242 brush, and you just really want to pat it into the lid because not only is that how it blends out, but that's also how you set it, because it is a self-setting base. You'll know it's set as soon as it starts getting tacky. If you do not take the time to properly set it, then it will crease on you badly, okay? Because that's what it did to me the very first time I used it. I didn't set it all the way, and my eyeshadow was like a mess, honey. So the palette we're using today is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm first going to go in with this purple shade. Picking it up on a Morphe E17 brush, I'm just going to begin to pack that purple onto my eyelid first. Not so much the lid, but where my crease is, and also above the crease, because right now I'm just wanting to build up the pigment to where I would like it to be, because I want this purple to be very, very popping when it comes to this eye look. So I'm just packing it on first, and this is a really good brush to pack on any type of color. Next, I'm going into the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place as well, and I'm picking up this pink shade. I'm gonna go right on top of where I placed the purple to blend out those edges. To do so, I'm using a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going in circular motions until it is blended out as much as I would like for it to be. I just want it to be seamless, you know what I'm saying? Like you can't tell where the purple starts and stops. I think it's pretty blended out to me, honey. Last palette, I'm going into the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place as well, and I'm going to pick up that black. I'm just going to pack this color onto my outer corner, and I just want to give it some depth on the outer corner right there, because I like how it's going to blend into the purple. And I'm picking this color up with a MAC 217 brush and just packing that on. This black is really pigmented, so you do not have to go in with much at all, but it is still so easy to work with as well. I'm just going to blend out this shade. You know, I know I'm using 3 palettes. I'm so sorry. But that's why I also decided to use them, you know, all from the same brand. Just so it won't look too all over the place, and so it won't be so confusing for anybody. So you could find all 3 of these at Juvia's Place website or in Ulta. I think they sell everything that Juvia's Place has. I'm not sure, but you know where to get all of the palettes. That's the point I'm trying to make, honey. Okay, and don't worry about the mess that it's making. Of course, we're gonna get all of that cleaned up like so. So now I am going to go back in with that P. Louise base, and I'm going to begin to cut my crease. And it's going to be a half cut crease today because I want to keep that black on the outer corner. And to cut the crease today, I am using my MAC 232 brush, or is it 252? Ooh, I have to look it up because the numbers are scratched off. I think it's 252. Yeah, this is a MAC 252 brush. My fault, y'all. So going in with this green shimmer shade, I'm going to start packing that on to the area where I cut my crease. And I'm only using this brush to go against the edges of it because it's gonna get right up on it like I need to. And I'm going in with a Morphe M213 brush to do so. Now I'm just going to fill in the rest of my lid, honey. Just going to pack that on. This green is so beautiful. I cannot take it. Like, I'm just so happy I finally worked with this green because I feel like I haven't done this much green on my lid before. But I've done it. I just haven't done enough of it. But it's so beautiful. I'm just gonna go back in with that brush I used to apply the black shade, and I'm just kind of going to marry the two colors together so they can blend in evenly and perfectly. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner, and I'm not gonna do a wing, but I am going to just line my my eyes. For some reason I had a brain fart, y'all. I don't understand what where I was going with it, but yeah, I'm just gonna do a thin line. And now I'm just gonna glue on some lashes, and these are from the beauty supply. I forgot the number of these lashes, so I'll either put it down on the screen or I'll link it in the description box. Okay, so I am going to start on my concealer. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 370. And I'm just going to correct with this concealer, and I'm taking it under my eyes and around my mouth first. Y'all know I love this shade to do some correcting, honey. Going in with my Morphe E8 brush, and this is what I'm going to use to blend this concealer out. And with the consistency of this concealer and the texture of it, I just find that it's a lot easier to use a brush. I like the way this brush blends it out better than the sponge. Just works better and faster for me. Way faster. Like, I feel like this brush does it in like 5 seconds versus the sponge. Like, it's already blended. So next I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty the Overachiever concealer in the shade Toasted Almond, and this one is the concealer I'm using to brighten. And I'm taking this under my eyes, around my mouth, down the center of my nose, and the center of my forehead, placing it on the back of my hand and picking it up with my beauty blender is how I like to apply it, because it just blends out like a dream and it keeps it from drying so fast. Look at this concealer. Like, I love this stuff. Ever since I started just going directly on my face with it, using my sponge, it's been working for me, and it is amazing. And this is when we see it starting to come to life. You see the look starting to really come to life, honey. I am going in with my Fenty Beauty powder, and this is the Pro Filter powder. That's what I'm using to set today. I'm only going to use this powder to set the areas where I just concealed. So now I'm going in with my NYX No Filter powder, and I'm just going to set the rest of my face with this powder. You know what I'm saying? Set the rest of my face so we can start finishing up this complexion, honey. All right, for bronzer, going in with my fave, Coco Naughty. Y'all already know the deal, honey. I'm going to bronze with this along my cheekbones, around my chin, my nose, my forehead, and along my jawline. So I'm going to start on my under eye, and the first thing I'm going to do is take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and I am only going to put this on the outer corner of my lower lash line, and this is in the shade Perversion. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of my lower lash line with this ColourPop cream gel liner, and this one is in the shade Piggy Bank. And now I'm going to go into that black shade that I used from the Saharan palette, picking it up on a Morphe E36 brush. I'm going to use it to smudge out that black eyeliner, and then picking up that purple shade, I'm going to go right under that black eyeshadow with it and smoke it out even more. Now I'm going to pick up the brighter pink shade, and I am going to go on my inner corner now where I placed Piggy Bank, and I'm just gonna smoke that out. And then I'm going to kind of drag it out under the purple shade as well. Now I'm going to pick up the green on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to take it on my inner tear duct in a circular motion. And now for lips, I am going to line with my MAC Pro Longwear lip liner in the shade Bittersweet. And then I'm going on top of that with the NYX Lingerie lip gloss in the shade Sable. Then I'm just going to top it off with Lord I Am Too Smart, and this is from the Smarty Pants collection by MAC, which is another lip gloss. Yes, look at this. This is a look, okay? Okay, y'all, so that completes today's video. I completely forgot to do my highlighter on camera. I used the Anglola from the crayon case, and yeah, so that completes today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you would like to see from me on my channel, and then be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.